Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss the topic that is equations reducible to the pair of a linear equation in two variable. Now students, let us understand this concept with a certain example. Suppose in any case I am writing a equation of this form. It is 5 upon x plus 3 upon y. 3 upon y is equals to 1. Now student, this is not a linear equation in two variables because here x and y variables, they are in denominator. So we want to solve them in this form. This 5 times of a u plus 3 times of a v is equals to 1. Now for this we are doing substitution. We are substituting 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v, and then we'll solve this type of problems. So students, this is the basic concept behind these problems. Let us discuss some problems related to this concept. Now here is the first problem. It is given 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equals to 2, and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equals to minus 1. In this problem, we'll substitute 1 upon root x as u and 1 upon root y as v. By substituting 1 upon root x as u, 1 upon root y as v, so this is equation number 1 and equation number 2. It will be reduced as it is 2u plus 3v is equals to 2, and 4u minus 9v is equals to minus 1. In the next step, equation number 3 will be multiplied with the 3, and by adding we will get the value of u, which is 1 by 2. This value for u we will substitute in equation number 3, and we'll find the value of v, 1 by 3. And then just to find the value of x and y, u we have considered 1 by root x. Substitute the value for u, which we get 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by root x. By cross multiplication, root x is 2. Scaling both sides, we get x is equals to 4. Similarly, we'll find the value of y, and y is equals to 9. In the problem, it is asked to find x and y, so we have to find the value of x and y. We cannot leave the problem in terms of u and v. Let us discuss another problem. Now student, in this problem, we'll substitute 1 upon x minus 1 as u, 1 upon y minus 2 as v. By doing so, we get the standard equations as 5 times of u plus v is equals to 2, 6 times of u minus 3v is equals to 1. And here equation number 3 will be multiplied with the 3. We are going to solve it by elimination method. By solving this, you get u1 by 3. Substituting u1 by 3 in equation number 3, value of v, you get 1 by 3. And then u is considered as 1 upon x minus 1. So you have to substitute the value of 1 upon x minus 1 as 1 by 3, and value of x will be 4. Similarly, when you substitute the value of v, 1 upon y minus 2, value of y comes to be 5. Now here we have another problem. In this problem, it is 4 upon x plus 3y is equals to 14, 3 upon x minus 4y is 23. In this problem, we only going to make only one substitution. We'll substitute 1 upon x as u. 1 upon x as u, y will be remain as such. So by solving this, you get 4u plus 3y is equals to 14, and 3u minus 4y is equals to 23. And the next step, equation number 3, by elimination method we solve it, multiply with the 4, and equation number 4 multiply with the 3, and by adding this you get u5. Substituting u in equation number 3, you get the value of y as minus 2. Why you get minus 2, and the value of x is equals to 1 by 5. Again substituting the value in the given problem. Now let us discuss another problem. Now students, in this problem, the question is not given in the standard form, so we have to change this problem. First of all, we are going to change this problem into a standard form by dividing this first expression 7x minus 2y with xy. 1 by 1 will divide with xy. We get 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equals to 5. By solving this, you get 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equals to 5. And changing into the standard form, we get minus 2 x plus 7 upon y is equals to 5. Similarly, second equation will solve, and we get 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equals to 15. In the next step, we'll substitute 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v. We get minus 2u plus 7v is equals to 5, and 7u plus 8v is equals to 15. First equation we are going to multiply with the 7, and second we are going to multiply with the 2, and then we perform addition. By adding them, we get v1, and the value for u we get 1 by substituting in the equation number 1. And finally, we have to find the value of x and y. So x and y will give us the value 1 and y is 1. Let us have one more problem on this topic. Here in this problem, it is 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is 4. Now students, in this problem, we will substitute 1 upon x plus y as u and 1 upon x minus y as v. When we substitute this, we get the equation in the standard form. 10u plus 2v is equals to 4, and 15u minus 5v is equals to minus 2. And by elimination method, equation number 3 multiply with the 5 and equation number 4 multiply with the 2. Adding them, we get the value for u 1 by 5. Substituting in this equation number 3, value for v is equals to 1. In the next case, we have to find x and y. For that, we substitute these values in the given substitution, that is 1 upon x plus y as u. So u is 1 by 5. So you get the value of 1 x plus y is equals to 5. Second equation, you get x minus y is equals to 1. We want to solve 5 and 6 again. By adding them, you get 2x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 3. Substituting in the equation number 5, value for y is equals to 2. So we get the value for x3 and y is equals to 2. Let us discuss one more problem on this topic. Now, so student, in this problem, we will make the substitution. We'll substitute 1 upon 3x plus y as u, 1 upon 3x minus y as v. You may consider any other variable. Here we have considered a and b. By solving this, you get a plus b 3 by 4. By cross multiplication, by doing the cross multiplication, you get first equation 4a plus 3b is equals to 3. Similarly, in the second case, by cross multiplication, by multiplying a to both sides, you get 4a minus 4b is equals to 1. We simply add these equation. 4b 4b cancel, we get 8a is equals to 2. Value for a is 1 by 4. A 1 by 4, we substitute in equation number 3 to find the value for b, comes to be 1 by 2. In the next case, we just going to substitute the value of a 1 by 4 and b 1 by 2. We get two more equation in the standard form. 3x plus y is 4, 3x minus y is equals to 2. We will add them again. 6x is equals to 6 and the value of x is equals to 1. By substituting in this equation number 5, we get the value for y 1, x is 1 and y is equals to 1. These are some practice problems related to this concept. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.